What's up everybody? Welcome back to Make It Kustom. I've got a bit of a tip for you today. This is a different kind of 3D patterning using tape instead of paper. So basically what I'm trying to do here is I've already modified this wheel lip so that I have clearance for this larger tire. This wheel lip's been cut back and modified. I took the back edge of a wheel lip from a driver's side fender and I just modified it a little bit to get this wheel lip. Now I want to make sure that this side is identical to the other side, and the best way to do that is to make a 3D tape pattern. So what the tape is going to allow me to do is I'm going to be able to tape it directly on here and kind of pull it sort of tight. I'm going to layer it one on top of the other, and it's going to take this shape and hold on to it when I peel it off. So the more tape the better, really, so that it's still nice and strong. I'm gonna go for another round. I usually make them 2 layers thick so that they hold their shape really well. You'll see that when I peel this off, it's going to hold on to that shape, and I'll be able to actually pop it inside out basically, so that this side of the tape, not the sticky side, but this side of the tape will be against the metal on the other side. And after I trace out where my lines are, especially this wheel lip, it's going to let me mark exactly where the other side's going to be, and they'll be identical. So I just want to rub this, make sure that it's as tight as it can be. See my fender lip right here. This is the line I'm trying to get on the other side. So I want to make sure I know what line I'm looking at. So I'm going to pick this line right here. So this line right there, I'm going to mark it. It disappears right there and becomes our bottom edge. I'm just going to use a razor blade, cut this outside edge here, kind of trim off all of our excess. So now, when I peel this, just got to be careful not to separate any of the layers. But since I started at the top and layered them down this way, I'm going to start peeling from the top so that the tape naturally pulls the next layer with it. So as I pull, oops, got to be really careful. Start this edge here. There we go. And as I pulled it, it already has that shape in it. You can see right there. We'll be able to transfer that on the other side. Check it out. So there we go. Fits exactly like it did on the other side. And if you come over here, you can see that is our fender line. Now, I haven't trimmed this line yet, so I'm gonna trim it right now and show you. The sticky side of the tape is a little bit of a nuisance, so you could throw some dirt on it or just any kind of powder to get rid of the stickiness. Right now I don't really care, I can work with it. Okay. Okay, so that's our line right there that we gotta mark out. So we'll just transfer it onto that side and get a line on it. So, lines up, nice. Actually, I might get some magnets. If you don't have these, buy them on Amazon, they're really cheap. Refrigerator magnets. So there you go. That is our body line that we marked here. So this is our new line for our fender lip. That's that. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little tip. I know that as soon as I found this out, I use it all the time. Anytime that I'm in this situation, this is the go-to way to transfer a pattern from one side to the other on a compound curve. This is a great technique to use when you're metal shaping as well. For this purpose, it's awesome just for transferring a line from one side to the other on something that's curved. Thank you very much for watching Make It Custom. Make sure you turn on notifications, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.